What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Will, back with another video. Now, if you're new to the page and you enjoy entrepreneurship and learning how to grow overall, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop my next video. Today, we're going to be talking about side hustles. But before we do, roll the intro. YouTube, Will is back. Now today we're going to be talking about side hustles, not just any side hustle, the ultimate side hustle, the side hustle that I've been using for quite a few years now. And hey, I haven't gotten rich doing it, but it saves me a lot of money because, you know, I have bills just like everyone else. You know, I have rent and light bill and cable bill and gas and food, etc. You know, the things that everybody has. And it makes me about $50 to sometimes $100 in a week, you know, and that gives me gas money and other things like food or snacks at work, you know, so it does come in handy. So today we're going to be talking about selling used things. Now, before you even say it, oh, are they selling these things? No, this is a free side hustle. Only thing you might need is a truck or a car to go pick up the things. And then, you know, you might want to deliver them to the people you sell them to, or you might want to tell people just come to your place and pick it up. Now, what I'm talking about is the free things online. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but people give out so many valuable things for free online. A lot of people do not know. A lot of people don't even look. When they go on to look for beds or they go on to look for different things on their phone, they don't even type in free. Let's get into my phone now. Let's type in free furniture. Free furniture. Now let's look. Look what we have here. Look at this beautiful couch for free. This is free. I mean, even if it's guys out there that's trying to furnish their first apartment, there's so much free things out here. This couch is not bad. All you have to do is Google how to clean furniture. Probably don't cost a lot of money. Clean it up. You probably could get $100 from it. $75, $50. Hey, you know, money is money when you're not paying for anything, right? So even if you sell it for like $25, you still make money. So let's go out of here and let's just go down the timeline. As you can see different couches and different love seats and things like that, different dressers. And well, this is just free shipping things. That was an advertisement. So you can see free shelves. I mean, the list goes on and on. Look, free dresser. Now, you telling me someone wouldn't pick up this dresser? Are you kidding me? You telling me you couldn't sell this dresser? I guarantee you it'll be gone. Look, it just was posted 52 minutes ago, and I guarantee you it will be gone before the end of the day. Now, imagine you picking it up first and then you selling it for $50. It'll be gone in one day. I guarantee you, people. I guarantee you. So let's keep scrolling the list. Here's a nice TV stand. Well, they're selling it for $50. But that's not even a bad price. Even things like that, you can take and get it for $20 and then turn around and sell it for $50 or $60. You just have to be a good salesman. So it is ways to make money on here with this side hustle. Now, let's get out of my phone for a second and I'll show you some other things. Now, I live in an apartment building and a lot of times by the front door, people leave free things all the time. You know what I do? I pick up those free things and then I sell them. And my cousins laugh at me and they say, "You always selling things online." And I say, "Hey, I got them for free. I didn't even pay for them." Then I show them how much money I made. And then they're like, "Hey, how did you do that? Show me." So I'll give you an example right now. Something I just picked up from my front door. Skates, guys. Look how nice these skates is. Look at it. Look how nice they are. Clean. They look brand new. They're for kids, right? So the first thing I'll do, I'll take these skates and I'll take a picture of them. I'll take a really nice picture of them. I have a nice camera. As you can see, I'm using a Canon G7X Mark III if you want to know. And I'll have a link in the description where you can pick this camera up at. Okay. And I have nice lights. So why not utilize them by taking really nice photo pictures of this item? Now it's free, but I'm going to make it look new and I'm going to make it enticing. So I might put on a caption, "Hey, have some skates, Don't need them anymore. They're practically new. They're barely worn. This is the size. If you need ice skates, then message me immediately and you can pick them up at any time, or I can possibly drop them off to you for a small price. Now, this works all the time. When I tell you it works all the time, it works all the time. And it only will take me 4 or 5 days to sell these things. Now, the thing is, you have to have a lot of patience when selling these things, because Facebook has a button that says, are these still available? And you know what people do? They go on there and they hit that button and they send it to you. So you're going to get a lot of those messages. Are they still available? Are they still available? But you know what you do to avoid that? You put it in the description. If the item is still listed, then the item is available. So if you send me a message, let's talk about buying the product or a description of the product or any questions you might have about the product. Please do not send me a message saying, are these still available? Because yes, they are. That avoids that. Now let's talk about negotiation skills. I've gotten very, very, very good at negotiating. I'll tell you a quick story. So a couple years ago is when I first started doing this. One of my friends at a job I worked at, he had an iPhone. It wasn't even a new iPhone. It was a couple years old. And I said, man, you always got this iPhone and like, you just always got it in your pocket and it's not even on. Like, what are you going to do with it? He was like, hey, yeah, I thought about selling it. I said, hey, man, you know what? Let me try to sell it for you. And he said, okay, cool. You know, I don't really use the phone. I said, how much do you want for it? He said about $300. And I looked up online and I looked under other listings and I seen the phone was going for about $400 to $500. So I said, hey, you know, sure, I'll sell it for you and I'll bring back your $300. And do you mind if, you know, I take whatever I sell on the top? He said, no, I don't mind. Only thing I want is $300. So I took the iPhone, I took it home, took nice pictures of it, put a nice description up, and then I sold it for, I said I was selling it for about $500. Now I know what you're thinking. I saw the phone listed for $400. So why would I put it to $500? I'm going to tell you right now, because of the bargain system.
Give me $300 for it.
I'll give you 200.
Oh, come on, man. 275.
250.
All right. But now you robbing me.
Everyone that clicks on your post will try to bargain with you, guarantee. But what you want to do is get to the price that you really want. Also make them feel good and make them feel like they've gotten a deal. And this how you keep people coming back to you. Especially you'll get a good review. And as soon as people see you're selling things, they look at your reviews and they see 5 stars across the board and people really want to buy from you. So that's just a little trick. So I'll tell you an example. Something's $500. The first thing you're going to get is people messaging you saying, hey, I'll give it to you for $325, right? More than likely, they're going to lowball you. I mean, it gets frustrating for some people, but that's the way it goes. So you got to deal with it. So more than likely, they're going to lowball you. So that's okay. That's okay. But I know how to deal with this because I've been selling things for a while. I know how to deal with this. So this is what you do. If they offer you $325 for an item you have posted for $500, you say, hey, okay, I'll take $50 off. How about you give me $450? More than likely, they won't go for that price. But that's okay because you're just trying to get them to 400. Remember, just trying to get them around the 400 mark so you can make a profit. Because remember what I told you, my friend wanted $300 and I posted it for 500 and I can at least make $100 profit. So the guy said, okay, I'll give you $350 for it. I said, you know what? You seem like a pretty good guy and, you know, I could use the money, but you know what? You seem like you really need a cell phone. So I'll give it to you for $400. And you know what the guy said? Deal. He said deal, of course, because now he feels like, hey, he knocked the $100 off of the price, right? And he got a deal. When you get a deal, everyone likes that. Everyone feels excited, like, oh, I got a deal. Even if it's a couple dollars, everyone likes to save money. So he felt like he had a deal and I got to the price that I wanted. So everybody won. So that's a tactic that I like to use. And it works all the time. And when I tell you, I've sold so many things. I've sold carpets. I've sold laptops. I've sold printers. I've sold skates. I'm going to sell those skates really soon. I got a little frustrated and I took the skates down, I admit, because I was getting like 1,000 messages and everyone was asking like so many questions. I got a little frustrated and I took the skates down, but I will be putting them back up and I will get a profit from them. But I've sold things like tables, sectionals, and that's another thing. You know, it's a guy right now on YouTube that made $10,000 a month selling used sectionals. Yes, you heard me correctly. He was making $10,000 a month selling used sectionals, and he broke it down. I'll have that video in the link in the description if you want to check it out. Like, I literally have a sectional in my living room right now that someone gave me for free, no money, and it's a brand new sectional. It's leather. It's brand new. I'll probably try to insert a picture for you guys, but I got it for free. I showed up to the guy's place trying to buy the sectional, and the guy gave it to me for free. He lived in a beautiful home. So this is an easy way to make money, guys. An easy way to make money. So if you want to make a little bit of money, do this, guys. Try it out. Look around your place and see some things that you don't want anymore, right? That you just have sitting around, and try to sell those things. And this way you'll learn how to bargain, and you'll learn how to sell things faster. You will know what people look for. You will know what the title things. Like, this is just practice. So just find some things around the house that you want to sell, and trust me, everything sells. Never, ever, ever think something won't sell, because it does. You can sell anything. You can sell a blender, a microwave. Hey, if you got an old washing machine or dryer sitting around, you can sell those. Trust me. And this is good because you can make some money and get rid of a lot of old things in your place, and you can make some room in your place. And also you'll be learning how to sell. And then you can definitely go online, find some free things, pick the things up and sell those. Clean them up if they need to be cleaned up. Hey, paint them if they need to be painted. I once painted a dresser and sold it. Got it for free, painted it, sold it for $150. This is very, very easy to do, guys. It just takes a little bit of time. Even if you have a 9-to-5, you can do this, and you can at least make money for gas, food, and trust me, it adds up. So I hope you got some value from this video. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed, guys, because I'm going to be dropping great videos all year long and beyond. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Represent what Jay got the antidote. They